Namaste everyone, my name is Yoshita. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's topic is yoga for back pain. Before we start the asana, let us understand some of the reasons why this back pain happens to us. Some of the reasons include prolonged standing, prolonged sitting, or using the wrong alignments while sitting, hunching the back too much, or lifting the heavy weights, or giving jerky movements to the spine. Sometimes we have the weak back muscles because of the time and the age also. So in all these cases, what happens? We start getting the back pain. It's very difficult for us to sit for longer, to stand for longer. We all the time feel like the irritation or the pain or the stiffness in the back. In all these cases, the asana that we will do are very helpful to reduce them and to strengthen the back muscles also. So let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with the spinal waves, that we have to bend the knees and then roll the whole body. This is very healthy to bring the mobility in your spine. So we have to repeat for 3, 2, and 1. Then we change the direction for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now we little stretch the back. So you need to interlock the finger, roll the shoulders back, try to lift your chest up, push your hips back, and then release. Hunch your back for 1. Again, inhale. Exhale, release. 2, 3. Inhale. Exhale, release. Now slowly place your palms over your hips, roll your shoulders back, and then exhale, go back for 1. Slowly come up, back for 2. Gently come back. Now we will hold there. So inhale, roll the shoulders, and exhale, go back. Stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. You can micro bend your knees and slowly hang your hands down. Just relax your spine here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Come back. Now slowly drop your palms down. Drop your knees also down. Come in the tabletop position. So now we are going to start. You have to inhale, back bend in the cow pose. Nicely stretch the shoulders up. And then exhale, hunch your back, stretch the shoulders as well. 2. Inhale, back bend, look up. And then exhale, hunch your back. Inhale, stretch all the back muscles, lift your shoulders up. And then exhale, hunch your back. Very good. Now we come to the center. Slowly lift your right leg up and start the gentle kicks like this. 1. Keep looking forward. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Slowly hunch your back for 3, 2, and 1. Now we change the side. Inhale. Take your left leg up and do gentle kicks for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Lift your leg up. Keep the knee straight for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Gently release and hunch your back. Now slowly you need to bring your knees forward and sit over your knees. We start the cat and cow stretches. So you inhale, roll your shoulders, pop out your chest for 1. Exhale, hunch your back. Beautiful. Go for 2. Exhale, hunch your back. 3. Exhale, hunch your back. Now we will hold there. So inhale, roll the shoulders, chest out. Stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, release. Slowly hunch your back for 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Now we will lie down on the abdomen. So slowly you need to take a position and then lie down on your belly. So now we start. Slowly take your hands in the front. We are going to lift alternate hands and legs. So your right hand goes up and the left leg goes up for 1. So you need to inhale. Now change the side, come up, and then exhale, go down. Very good. Keep switching the sides. Inhale 1, exhale down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. 5 and 6. Release. Now we will stay there. So inhale, lift your right hand and left leg. Hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Now we switch the side. Left arm up, right leg up. Stay for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now both the hands and legs up. So inhale, lift your legs, hands, stay there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Place your palms sideways of your chest. Inhale, roll your shoulders, try to come to cobra pose as much as you can. Just lift up and then down 3 times. For 1, inhale up, exhale down, again 2, exhale down. Now we will stay there for 10. Inhale, roll the shoulders, come up and stay for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release, push your hips back and go to the child pose and stay there for 1 minute. Just relax. Okay, so these are some of the exercises or the asanas that you can practice every day. It's more beneficial you do this before you go to sleep, that the muscles are going to gain more relaxation afterwards. So I hope you have a healthy back, and if you like the video, do subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Namaste.